You sell the job, the customer is excited, and then the next question comes up, when can you start? That's usually when the scrambling begins. You start thinking through the calendar. Which crews are already booked? What jobs are finishing soon? And whether this new project will actually fit. For many contractors, scheduling ends up living in a mix of whiteboards, calendars, and memory, which makes it harder to see what's coming next, and even harder to plan work realistically. In this video, I'll show you how Precise Builder helps exterior contractors manage scheduling, project status, and upcoming work inside one connected system. So instead of reacting to the calendar, you can actually see your workload and plan jobs with confidence. Let's take a look. Inside Precise Builder, scheduling starts with the project pipeline. Right here you can see how every approved job moves into a visual pipeline that shows progress from upcoming to active to completed. Instead of jobs disappearing into spreadsheets or whiteboards, every project stays visible in one place. At a glance, your team can see what work is coming up, what is currently in progress, and which jobs may need attention. From there, jobs can be scheduled based on real crew availability and workload. Scheduling construction work is more complex than simply choosing a date on a calendar. Crews need to be available, job timelines need to make sense, and multiple projects often overlap. Right here you can see how jobs can be scheduled in a way that reflects real capacity instead of guesswork. This helps create realistic timelines that keep crews productive and customers informed. Once jobs are scheduled, the next question becomes, who is actually doing the work? Right here you can see the crew board where crews can be assigned directly to jobs. Instead of tracking assignments through calls, texts, or spreadsheets, everything is visible in one place. You can assign full crews to a project or move individual team members between jobs when priorities shift. That flexibility makes it much easier to adjust schedules without disrupting the entire plan and keeps work moving even when conditions change. As work gets closer to execution, keeping everyone aligned becomes critical. With Precise Builder, scheduling stays directly connected to job details, scope, and status. Right here you can see how the office and the field are always working from the same information. This reduces last-minute confusion and helps crews arrive prepared for the work ahead. And once the job is sold, there's no gap between sales and scheduling. Approved jobs move directly into the project pipeline where they're immediately ready to be scheduled and assigned. That means no duplicate entry, no missing details, and no delays getting work started. Everything flows forward in one system. Scheduling problems usually aren't caused by poor planning. They happen when job timelines, crew availability, and project details live in different places. Precise Builder brings scheduling, crew assignment, and project visibility into one system so teams can coordinate work more easily and adjust plans when needed. That means fewer surprises, clearer timelines, and a smoother transition from selling the job to completing the work. Precise Builder helps contractors stay ahead of their workload and manage projects with confidence as their business grows.